Welcome back, fellow weightlifters. How y'all doing? Good, I hope. Today's workout is the second part of the free weight tune-up, where today we'll concentrate on legs and arms. We'll be using free weights and nothing but. We'll start off with the barbell squat, which is easy to do, but difficult to master for some. With the barbell on your shoulder, keep your back as straight as you possibly can, as long as it's comfortable, and come down low enough to where your upper and lower leg form a 90-degree angle at least. Basically, just set down into the movement. For most people, I'd recommend just starting out with low weight, just to get used to the weight on your shoulders. Next, we'll do stiff leg deadlifts, and for this I'm using a curl bar, just because I don't have a lot of room in my tiny little gym. Basically, you're just grabbing the bar in the bottom position, having your knees just slightly bent, and just standing up with the weight. This is also another one of those exercises you want to start with lightweight until you're comfortable with the movement. And if you perform it correctly, you're going to feel a nice stretch or a nice pull in your hamstrings. Next, we'll do calf raises with a dumbbell. And if your balance is as bad as mine, it does help to grab a hold of something. This is a really good, simple exercise though, so I do throw it into my workouts every so often. It provides an awesome stretch. I haven't done dumbbell curls like this for a while, where I have a static hand position and alternate one to the other like rapid fire, and completely forgot how good these are. Give them a shot. Also, performing the dumbbell curls in a seated position prevents you from generating any kind of momentum, which puts all the burn on the bicep and doesn't allow you to cheat. My biceps were pretty well cooked by this point, but I still managed to somehow power through the set. And as mentioned in previous videos, dumbbell concentration curls are a really good finisher for a bicep workout. adding these in my tricep workouts a little while ago, and I'm glad I did. They really cause a lot of soreness. Just be sure not to smack yourself in the head with the dumbbell, as I do on occasion. And if I was only able to do one exercise for tricep development, it would be the dumbbell overhead tricep extensions. This one right here. My elbows don't like them, but my triceps sure do. The only other exercise that feels as good on my triceps would probably be the pulley pushdown. That'll about do it for this workout. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.